Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch us for it. And also follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section because they will be putting out some potential trade movements which you should not miss out. You should be able to watch out for it on that Telegram channel. We will also be looking at one or two informations that will be useful for you in trading. You also do not want to miss out on it. So the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So quick analysis on GBP JPY. At first, you can see that we were on an uptrend move. Market is giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, trading above our trend line, right? Now, what has market done? Market has now broken out of our trend line. You can see it broke out of the trend line. And guess what? We had a pullback that came close, probably came to tap the trend line. Then we had a new lower lows that took out this previous lows. So what is market doing here? This is a lower highs. Once this lower highs is over, then expect a new lower lows. So very soon, anytime soon, GBP JPY will start dropping. So GBP JPY is literally ready for the drop, but only go ahead and take the sell. Once you get to the setup, you find your own setup that works for you and go ahead and sell on GBPJPY. So once the pullback, which is bullish, is over, then be looking for a sell because GBPJPY will start dropping anytime soon. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.